Have you ever wondered how stocks move without physical paper certificates? Let us look at the process of dematerialization. Dematerialization is the process of converting physical paper stock certificates into electronic records held in a digital account. Today, virtually all shares are held electronically, which makes trading faster and much more secure for individual investors. Moving away from paper eliminates the risk of losing certificates and significantly speeds up how trades are processed and settled. In the past, you had to mail physical documents to transfer ownership. Now, it happens instantly through your brokerage app. Notice how the time it takes to settle a trade has dropped from days to just one business day in the digital age. This shift is all about efficiency, ensuring that the market remains liquid and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics helps you navigate the modern market with confidence. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.